Hey guys, so I got this dehumidifier right here because I had this storm that came through my house and basically destroyed everything. So in order to contain the mold, I had to buy a couple of these. And for the price, it was actually well worth it. So, you could get a commercial one for probably 5x the amount of this one. But as far as performance goes, I mean, this actually does great, to be honest, because so it has a lot of functions. I'm not very tech savvy. I don't really use any of this. I just know that I turn it on. See if I can turn it on right here. Oh, well, I can't turn it on. But the reason I can't turn it on is because right here, that means this is full. As you can see, there's a bunch of water right over here. So I'm gonna go dump this out real quick. Yeah, so this is a lot of water right here. So the reason why I really like this is because I bought one that was like a little smaller, but it will take a couple of days to fill up. This one specifically fills up. I think the first time that I bought it, the humidity in the house was 75, and it filled up within like the first 4 hours. Like all the water that you guys saw me just throw away in the sink, yeah, it did that in the first maybe 4 or 5 hours, and it was crazy. Like that just blew my mind, because I think within probably 12 to 15 hours, the humidity level went from 75 down to like the 40s. So I mean, that was awesome for me, because like it was so wet in here that even if I had just like paper, like notebooks and books, the pages were actually getting wet. And this little guy here solved the whole problem, because I put him downstairs and it takes care of basically everything downstairs and some of the upstairs, and then I have one specifically in my room because I don't want any kind of humidity in there. So I'll put this in here and then I'll turn it on. Actually, it turns on its own. So as you can see, this has the humidity level right there. It's not really 72. It doesn't feel like 72 right now, but as it starts sensing things out, it's gonna level out. I think it should go down to like maybe low 60s, high 50s. That's what it feels like in here. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But if I leave this on, it'll actually bring it all the way down to in the 30s if I leave it long enough, to the point that it actually starts feeling very dry and I gotta shut it off. So this actually exceeded my expectations.